What's up, guys? We're waiting on the sun to go down the rest of the way, and we're going to be doing our demo of all these little novelties. A whole bunch of stuff. Alright, we'll get back when it's dark out. Alright, it's finally dark enough. Get some of these novelties going. Show you what we got quick. Plane Invasion, and that is by T-Sky. We got some Ladybugs by Red Rhino. We got some Lady Lanterns. Those are by Wenda. We have some Magical Crystals by Cutting Edge. We've got some of those mini Ladybugs. See how they compare to these bigger ones right here. We got some Color Smoke Helicopters by Miracle. They put up a little smoke trail. We've got these by Wenda. 3-stage spaceship. Again, those are by Wenda. There's 4 different colors. We have Monkey Business by Shogun. And we have Spinning Tops by Miracle. These are pretty cool. They're kind of like a ground bloom, and the idea, if you have a flat surface, which I really don't, they'll go on the top and they'll spin. That's some big shit, dude. So while it's still kind of bright out, we'll start off with one of these color helicopters. Maybe you'll be able to see the smoke still. Got my new little torch off of Amazon, little pen torch. I think I paid, what, 11 bucks for 2 of them shipped. Kind of nice. Can't really see the smoke trail at night, but that goes pretty high. Not too bad. Alright, let's see. Do one of the mini Ladybugs first, and then we'll compare it to the bigger one for you guys. See if we even spin. Oh yeah. Yeah. Do another one. Both. Got 2 of them. Try and catch one of them on camera. Oh, that one didn't go too good. They get up there pretty good though, for being $1.50 for 3 of them. Alright, then we'll show you the big ones. These again are the Ladybugs by Red Rhino. Let's see, where's this fuse at? Is that a rock? Yeah, I kind of like this torch though. It's adjustable. Oh, okay. Woo! That was loud. Holy shit. That was loud. That was way better than a little one. Maybe we'll do another one at the end of the video. Last we got, what are these called? Lady Lanterns by Wenda. Show one of these quick. I don't know if this will work out here because it's got to have flat ground for it to spin. Trying to get a spot going. These are kind of cool. I tried one of these earlier. Nice colors. Oh yeah, that is bright. It's not bad. Do another one of those for you. It's better if you get it on the blacktop or concrete to spin, but we're on a dirt road right now, so. The colors are really bright on these. There we go. It's more of a purple color in person. There we go. Way better. Yeah, these things are sweet. I feel like novelties, I'd recommend picking them up. Lady Lanterns, was it by Winda? Yeah, Lady Lanterns by Winda. It's usually like $3 for a 4-pack. Let's see. Another thing that might have a problem going off, got these color pyramids, and they also have to spin. So we'll hope we get lucky again. These are pretty much like those ladybugs, usually. I don't know if it whistles. Oh yeah. Thing takes off like a missile, man. Do another one. There was 4 in that pack. I think I paid $6 for that, maybe. $5 maybe. $1.50 a piece-ish. These are loud though. That whistle is really loud. Not supposed to do that. What do we got next? We'll do Planet Invasion. See if I get a light here. Not really. Doesn't work as a good light, does it? Planet Invasion. These are pretty big. About the size of the palm of your hand. A little plastic thing. They look like they're just those big, a big version of those green ones, if you know what I'm talking about. A lot bigger. You can see fireworks going off all over the place. Oh yeah, that's what it is too. Wow, that gets up there. That was sick. I'm buying these again. We'll do the other one. What did I pay for? I think these were $5. What do we got on here? $5 for 2 of them. Yeah, I buy these again. That was a pretty big report. I'm surprised at the end. Good size anyway. Yeah, these things are sick, dude. Nice glitter. Right in the road. What do we got? Done. So these are the most expensive thing that I have right now. I think I paid like $13 for 4 of these. 3 stages by Winda. I've never seen these or watched a demo. But again, I'm gonna guess it's the same thing as the spaceship thing we did. Let's see, where's this fuse at? Right there. Most expensive, we'll see if it's the most bang for your buck. 3-stage. That is pretty cool. Yeah? It was 3 stages. Let's try another one. This one is red. We'll see if it does the color of the firework. These are about, $3 a piece or so. You can find them cheaper though. That's pretty cool. We got a couple more things left here. Try these monkey bars. I have no idea what this is. I think this little guy just spins. Get my flashlight and show you. I think he just spins on a bar would be my guess. But we'll see. Where did that fuse go? We'll stand fire for this one. Okay. And he tipped over. He tipped over immediately. Huh. We'll try the other one. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. Came with 2 in there. How much was this? That kind of sucked. Huh. Got maybe a flat surface. Hey, if we have better luck with this one. Ah, stayed up. Oh yeah. Okay, didn't really show very good on the camera, but pretty much these two bars on the left and right shot up like a little sparkler, and he did start spinning like a crazy, man. It's kind of cool. I think the base needs to be a little bit heavier though for those. I think we got one more, guys, and it is gonna be the Spring Tops by Miracle. Let's try them out. Get a couple out. Stand it right up. And that's where the fuse was, right? Got two of them up. Oh yeah. There we go. How cool is that? Light some more of those. Yeah, if you're on flat surface though, it's a ground bloom that keeps spinning after it's done. Pretty much. Do 3 more of them. I just wish there was a flat road out here to do this. This torch is nice though, guys. If you want to look it up, just pencil torch on Amazon. You can probably find it. There's a bunch of them under different brands. This one looks like she'll... Yeah, she's still stopped. The other one. See if we can get a good video for you guys this time. There we go. Sweet. Alright guys, that's all the novelties I got. There will be more videos going up for the 4th. Hope you guys had a good 4th as well, or you're going to have a good 4th. And I appreciate you guys sticking around. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, drop a thumbs up, and subscribe. There's a lot more come, guys. Thank you.